Class 8 Mathematics Chapter 5 Circle and its Elements मीन्स आज सर्कल और इसके एलिमेंट्स के बारे में पढ़ना है. So first we want to know about the circle and the angles and chord and segment. So your exercise 5.1. In this exercise it is given that find out the answer of the following question related to the diagram given. तो ये डायग्राम आपको गिवन है और इस पे ये क्वेश्चन कुछ गिवन है. आइडेंटिफाई द आर्क ए बी सी. वेयर इज द आर्क ए बी सी? तो यू कैन ड्रॉ अ सर्कल एंड रिप्रेजेंट द आर्क ए बी सी. I will represent one by one. So first of all, your first question, identify the arc ABC. As you know, arc ABC is this one arc. You can draw like this. Now come to the, it is only one by one figure. Don't write in one figure. You make separate figure for separate portion. Now come to the second, identify the arc BCD. Where is BCD? That is the BCD. This arc is BCD. So you can draw this type. Now come to the third. Third is name the minor angle formed by minor arc AB. Minor arc AB is this angle. This is the minor arc. Name the minor angle formed by minor arc. Minor arc, this one. So minor angle is this one. This angle is minor angle, this one. And also you can say this one. This one is also minor angle. So you can write this one. Now question number 4. On which arc is angle ACB formed? Where is ACB? First of all, you can draw this ACB, this angle. On which arc? That is AB arc. It is on the AB arc. You can write. On which arc? Question number 5. On which arc angle CBA? Where is CBA? This one is CBA. This angle is CBA. On which arc? The arc is, this angle is on which arc? Arc CBA. So you can do the other parts, this and this. It is for your homework. You can do at home. Now come to the next exercise, that is 5.2. In this exercise, first of all, we want to know the angle of same segment. This is a circle. It is a circle and this one is a segment. ऊपर वाला ये major segment है, नीचे वाला minor segment. So angle of a same segment, that means this angle and this angle, both the angles are same always. So in this question we use this property of this circle. So first of all, here is angle A. This angle is given, this and this, so both are equal. So A is equal to how much? 45, because it is a angle of same segment. Now come to the, once again, this second figure. In this second figure there is a segment, this segment, and the angle of same segment. ये भी आपका एंगल, ये एंगल और ये भी एंगल, तीनों एंगल जो हैं क्या है? एंगल ऑफ सेम सेगमेंट. सो वैल्यू ऑफ x is equal to So value of x, that is 33, and y is also 33. So this angle 33 degree. Now come to the this third part. Angle P and angle 40 both are equal, so it is 40 degree, because angle of same segments are always equal. Now next two parts you can do. So this parts for your homework, so you can do at home. Now come to the 5.3 exercise. What will be happen in this exercise? The angle formed by minors, any small parts of the circle of any point of its acute angle or obtuse angle. So first of all, you can draw like this. The angle formed by minors smaller parts of the circle. It is a smaller parts, and this angle is always obtuse angle, not acute. So you can write here obtuse angle. So this one is correct. Now the angle formed by the major part of the circle, upper part is major part, at any point is a acute angle, because there is only acute angle is formed. So this angle is acute, so you can fill the acute angle. Now in the circle, the sum of corresponding angles formed by the smaller end segment and the greater segment of the circle. So first of all, you can draw like this. There is a minor segment and it is your major segment. So you can draw any angle of this, and you can draw this. Suppose this angle is x and upper angle is y. So always remember, the sum of both angle is always 180 degree for a circle. So your correct answer is 180 degree. So you can fill very easily in this fill in the blanks. Now come to the exercise 5.4. What happened in this exercise? In the given figure, O is the center of the circle whose diameter is PQ. Find the measure of angle PRQ. PRQ. Where is PRQ? Upper part. And QPR. QPR. So first of all, it's a very small figures. So I want to draw a large figure like this. And this is a semicircle. This is passes through center O, and here is PQR. Here is P, Q, and R. R is the upper part. So this angle can be drawn. This angle is given as 45 degree. As you know, this angle is 90 degree. Always remember, in a semicircle, कोई सा भी सेमी सर्कल बन जाए, इसके अंदर जो एंगल होता है ये 90 डिग्री होता है. So this angle is 90 degree, this one is 45, so angle P is also 45 degree. So what will be happen? Both the angles are 45 degrees, so you can write 45 degree. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, फिगर को थोड़ा लार्ज करके बना दिया है. इन दिस क्वेश्चन, एंगल ऑफ वाई पी क्यू इज गिवन एज 70 डिग्री, एंड वेयर इज पी क्यू वाई, दैट इज 30 डिग्री. इन ट्रायंगल, विथ ट्रायंगल, it is YPQ. PQ. What will you remember? The sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. So angle Y plus angle Q plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. As you know, Y is find करना है इस Y को, plus Q is 30 degree and plus 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. So that means Y is equal to 180 minus 100. So it becomes 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree. Y means it is PYQ. It is angle of PYQ is equal to 180 degree. And angle of same segment, both are equal. So you can write angle of PXQ is equal to angle of PYQ. Both are equal because angle of same segments are equal. So first two questions completed. Now the remaining part of this exercise you can do at home. So that is the homework. So you can do at home. Similarly, next questions. Now come to the next exercise. What happened in your next exercise? That is 5.5 exercise. In this exercise, some properties are working. And first of all, you can see here it is a circle, and that is your center, and that is your circumference. This one. सर्कमफेरेंस पे जो भी एंगल फॉर्म होगा उसका जस्ट डबल एंगल सेंटर पे फॉर्म होगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, सर्कमफेरेंस पे जो भी एंगल फॉर्म है उसका जस्ट डबल जो है सेंटर पे होगा. सो यू कैन चेक हियर इन योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट विल बी हैपन इन योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? देयर इज अ circumference angle is 65 degrees. So what will be happen in your x? This one. So x is equal to 2 into 65. That is 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, and 130 degree. That is your answer for the first A part. Similarly, the second part, this one, and this angle is 248 and this one is x. So first of all, this angle is just double of this. So 248 is equal to 2 of x. That means x equal to 248 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. So value of x is 124 degree. That one, this angle is 124 degree. Now you can do the similarly the C part. How can do the C parts? As you know, in this triangle, this angle and this angle is isosceles triangle. So both are equal. If it is given x, so it will be also x. And the angle, this is the center of the, and that is 74 degree. So what will be happen? The sum of these two angles is always 74 degrees. So you can write here x plus x is equal to 74 degree. So 2x equal to 74. So x equal to 74 divided by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 2 7 ja 14. So x equal to 37 degree. That is your answer. Now come to the second question. Second question is very easy. The figure is so. ये वाला पार्ट सेम जो है इसके जैसा ही है. सो आप लोग कर लेंगे. और in this angle you can check here in this question B part of this. This angle is the, and this angle both are equal. Why? Because angle of same segment. So y is equal to 75 degree, angle of same segment. इसके बाद इसका जस्ट डबल सेंटर पे होगा, सो वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 75, दैट इज 150 डिग्री. सो दैट इज योर आंसर. Similarly, you can do the third question. It is very simple. In the third question, the figure AB and CD are equal. इसमें AB और ये CD both are equal. An angle of AOB is equal to 70 degree. AOB is 70 degree. This is given in your figure. Angle AOB 70, and find the measurement of angle COD. COD. What will be happen? Same arc or same chord is making same angle on the center. So x is equal to how much? That is the 70 degree. So that is your answer. Remaining part for your homework you can do at home. Now the question is like this. That is homework you can do at home. It is for homework. Both questions are for your homework. Now come to the 5.6 exercise. What happened in this exercise? First of all, you can see here a property of this circle. It is a chord and it is a center and it is your perpendicular on the chord, and AB, and here is O and here is M. Always remember AM is equal to BM, and it is your perpendicular. So OM is perpendicular on AB. कॉर्ड पे सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं तो ये कॉर्ड को 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. सो M इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस कॉर्ड. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. So first question, I will try to do this. First question, AM is 3.5. So AM, first of all, we can make the bigger figure here, and this one is center. It is M, it is A, and it is B. So AM is given as how much? It is 3.5 centimeter. Find the value of BM. BM is equal to AM, and that is the 3.5 centimeter, because perpendicular from the center on the chord divides into equal parts. So both parts are equally. So that is your answer. You can write. Now come to the second question. In the figure is same. M is the midpoint of chord AB. Find the value of X and Y. What is the value of X and Y? In this figure, you can see here this type. This type, it is AB, and that is O is the center, and draw to this type. Find the value of X and Y. Where is the X and Y? M is the midpoint. It's a very small figure. I think the solution is I will give later on. Now come to the third question. What will be in third question? OM, this one is your OM, that is perpendicular on PQ. PQ is 8 centimeters. means PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Find the value of PM and MQ. PM and MQ. As you know, PM and MQ both are equal and that is half of PQ. So PQ का half होगा. So 1/2 into 8, that is 4 centimeter. So you can write 4. So you can do the, now fill in the blanks. How can solve the fill in the blanks? The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord. The perpendicular from the center of a chord to a chord, circle to a chord, midpoint of the chord. You can say midpoint of the chord. In the second, in a circle, the line joining the center to the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Here you can write perpendicular to the chord. Perpendicular to the chord. You can fill both. Now your exercise be finished. So what will be happen end of this exercise? So you can do very well this one. Yes, the circle is ended. Now you have to complete your copy, note copy in. आप अपनी कॉपी जो है कंप्लीट कर लेंगे और चेक करवाने के लिए रखेंगे. जब स्कूल वगैरह खुलेंगे तो मैं उस टाइम चेक कर लूँगा. मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट्स भी करेंगे और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए वीडियो आप लोग अपना सजेशन भी देंगे, व्हाट्सअप करेंगे. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन वगैरह नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो उसको व्हाट्सअप के थ्रू मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं. मैं उसको कोशिश करूँगा अच्छे से अच्छे बनाने के लिए. और जिन बच्चों के पास ये नहीं पहुंच पा रहा है वीडियो, उनको शेयर कर दीजिएगा, आसानी से पहुंच जाए. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.